Hi, hello there's Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to Radhe Talks. Hope you doing well. I am very fine for today's. You think you today is a sixth day of our challenges. Read English with Kumar Beginners. So very important for sessions today. Today you know of the sixth day challenges. I think you are be doing properly well. I think you are be doing properly well. Yes, correct. Now today our start video, but before I just like to share with you two lines motivation. That's motivation say very important ourselves, because of daily lives you are being motivated to own self. You are being motivated you own self. That's the very wonderful चीज होती है ना. Okay, this opportunity don't be happens, you create them. Opportunity don't be happened, you create them. आपका अपॉर्चुनिटी अपने से क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. For example, you want to be earns more money or the more than to others, just like you do something little bit better, but you not working overtime. See how do the possibles? Then you opportunity your hand, your by hand, you create them, see, and you do more risky. Then your reward is returns better than. Okay, you want to be more risky, then you returns very important. रिटर्न तो आएगा, लेकिन आपने रिस्क को एनहांस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, डोंट वेस्ट योर चांस. लेट्स टुडे सेशंस वेरी वंडरफुल. I have a book, same book. Yesterday I also be 2 page covers. Today I cover 3 page. I want to be started. Then you also be properly read, but you don't be hesitations, don't be fearness. You always try to better more yesterday's. You try to better the yesterday's. Yesterday से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. ओके, ठीक है. आइए शुरुआत करता हूँ. ठीक है. This is very important. I think you are be doing properly well. I am thank you so much to all of you. ठीक है. Okay. One thing I just to tell you, you are properly listening and you read slowly, but your pronunciation correct is a matter of yourself. You are what you do. You are what you do. Don't know or what you say and you will do. Okay, you are what you do or don't know you say and you will do. Okay, then we know ourselves through our thought. We know ourselves through our thought, but we know others through their actions. That is true for other as well as. They can't read our thought. They can't read our thought, or all they see is what we do. It does not matter what we say. It does not matter what we say, but what matter is what they see us doing. It's matter what you they see doing. Does not matter what you say. What you doing is matters. Okay, the committed our nothing is not break off with actions. Commitment nothing the breaking of our the actions. The commitment कभी भी हमको break नहीं कर सकते. You commitment and do something better, then have you succeed your lives. Okay, luck happens to those who that is making happens. Luck happens. Luck. You believe your lucks. You best of lucks. You believe your lucks. Then happen to those that make things happen. If you start creating contents, you have a greater chance. If you bring a share your dream to celebrities, you create a contents. अपने खुद से कुछ लिखो, जो कि हम शायरी भी लिख सकती है, कुछ शॉर्ट मोटिवेशन स्पीच भी लिख सकती है, कि आपका माइंड एनहांस होगा. यू डेली प्रैक्टिस, डेली रीड, देन आफ्टर योर माइंड एनहांस होगा. आपको यू हैबिचुअली आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू से हेलो टू एवरी स्ट्रेंजर्स and you have to great change in your finding your dreams partners. Okay, if you send cold mails every days, you have the great chance of getting your dream jobs. Every day you cold mail to everyone. You mail to, don't be WhatsApp chatting, don't be chit chatting. You also be mail to others. Then have to enhance your the knowledge, your writing, your thought powers, and the positively the go succeed. Your actions decide your logs. So those your log of actions. Then log is not really good opportunity. Log is not the good opportunity, but opportunity you created. you create them. Luck is what eventually happens when you hard work yield results. Luck is eventually happen then you more hard work. This is very important today. I have over the today read. You also be practice daily. I just like to suggest you do something. I am also a beginner. I am trying to my best, but you also be try to best. I am not the expert to explain to others. I just little bit try to my habituals. I learn to every days, but you also be try to then have to improve yourself. Thank you so much. See you the next times next video. Okay, let's call it this. Thank you so much. जय हिंदी, जय भारत, जय जगन्नाथ.